Our relationship with the University of Kansas Hospital goes back 20, 30, 40 years ago, where we have done construction projects. But there is a new beginning. The last 15 years have been an amazing track, and we've been very fortunate to be working for the University of Kansas Hospital.
When selecting a construction company or a construction management company, we look at some basic things: competence, integrity, do we trust them? One of the things that is very important to me is actually the culture of the company. We interviewed a number of large firms, and after we went through the J.E. Dunn interview, we pretty much knew that we had our firm.
Healthcare construction being probably the most complicated form of construction that there is, much more complicated than commercial office buildings or conventional kinds of real estate, especially when that work is being done in an occupied building.
We have to understand that we are working in an active hospital. You have to have employees and subcontractors who are very committed to working in that environment.
This is all about patient care. So you have to find a partner like J.E. Dunn who understands that, who's built world-class facilities around the country, who partners with us to do the exact same thing here.
I think one of the interesting things that distinguishes Dunn from other groups that we've worked with is they've truly chosen to specialize in healthcare. They have a passion for it. They care about what happens with our patients just as much as we do.
I think one of the more challenging projects that we have worked on at the University of Kansas Hospital was the heart expansion. Anytime you're building on top of a hospital, that in and of itself is very challenging. When I look at the expansion of the Heart Institute and I see the challenges around that particular building program, I feel very honored that we had professionals out there working and playing a role in the expansion of the University of Kansas Hospital.
They've been a very valued partner in not only in actually doing things with us on a construction level, but doing things with us in a philanthropic level as well.
J.E. Dunn has been a partner in Treads and Threads, and kind of the highest tribute to their partnership was when Peggy and Terry Dunn agreed to chair Treads and Threads last year, and by the way, set a record when they did that, and so they've now set the bar as high as possible, and we now need to see if we can leap over that bar that they set.
We did set a record in fundraising, but I look forward to the next leader beating that record and continuing to beat the record, because I really see the importance of the fundraising to meet the demands and needs of a continually expanding cancer center. I think is extremely important for this community, and at the same time it has been fun.
I think Dunn clearly deserves a partner award for all the phenomenal work we've done with them. For me, though, I think it's really more about the work we're going to do with them. What the hospital has tried to accomplish in being that academic medical center with excellent outcomes and a patient focus, we're not done yet. And we're going to need a number of different partners to help us get there. Dunn is clearly one of those groups that will be there.
In speaking for my company, it is a great honor receiving this award tonight. We are very, very honored.